What is up, Superhumans? BT here. If you're new to this channel, first of all, welcome. It's great to have you. I like to create content that's going to help you move, feel, and perform better, both mentally and physically. As you just heard me cough, and if you've been following me on Instagram, I've been sick, and I've been sick for, this is I think day 11 now. You know, I thought I had COVID. I ended up getting 2 tests done. Both of them came back negative, so that's cool. My doctor told me that I needed to continue to socially distance. I really haven't left my room at all in the last 11 days. I've been jonesing to go to the gym. My body's just not ready, and I've got to distance. And that got me thinking, maybe you are socially distancing. Maybe you can't make it to the gym yet. And a couple of months ago, I made a video on the best travel gym in a bag. You can watch that here if you haven't seen it. But I wanted to make the best home gym using the least amount of equipment as possible. So maybe you're on a really tight budget. What are the absolute must-haves for a home gym? And I boiled it down to 2 things. I think these are the 2 things you would want to get because they are the most functional and they can be used for a myriad of reasons. The first would be a kettlebell, and the second would be a big resistance band. Not only can you do basically any exercise you could possibly think with those 2 items, but they're also both really good for mobility work. And that's why they're my go-tos. And here are my top 3 favorite kettlebell exercises to do. And just like the kettlebell, here are my 3 favorite ways to use a resistance band. I know we're acting stupid. But I also love to use the kettlebell to do some self-myofascial release. You can also use the band to do the banded distractions that I talk about all the time. So between just these 2 items, you can accomplish so much. Leave your go-to items down in the comments below. I will catch you later, hopefully sooner than later. Peace.